Gold filled is a really great alternative to solid gold. It's a layer product that is comprised of a thick layer of solid 14 karat gold that's bonded to a brass core with heat and pressure. It's a really great alternative to solid gold, as I said, because it gives you the look of gold without the price point. By law, gold filled needs to be 5% of the total weight of your piece in gold. So that means out of the total weight of your piece, 5% of that is the weight of the gold, which is something really important to consider as you're working with it and when you're finishing it especially. There's a few things that you want to take into consideration with gold filled, specifically because it is a layered product. Now I want to make a distinction between gold filled and something that's plated. While a plated piece has a layer of gold on top, it's really, really, really thin. So it's not very durable long term, whereas gold filled with proper care and usage is a really durable product and can last years and years. So, like I said, there's a couple considerations that you want to keep in mind with gold filled because it is layered. One of those is when you come to finishing, you don't want to take any abrasives to your gold filled material. Once you start to take away some of that gold layer, you're no longer hitting the weight requirements to be called gold filled. Plus, you can expose the brass core underneath, which is susceptible to tarnishing much faster than the layer of karat gold on the outside. The other thing that you want to take into consideration is if you're soldering with gold filled. It's definitely possible, and I'm going to show you how to do it today, but it is a more advanced technique and you have to be careful to not overheat your piece. Otherwise, you can melt those layers together. So that layer of gold and that layer of brass can melt together if you get it too hot. And it will be really hard to tell if you've done that because brass is a very similar color